is Wednesday, November 1st, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Since drinking it, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I have just the right amount of energy, and I feel wide awake. Now, as you may notice, I have a wet spot on my shirt because I was washing my face and apparently I got a wet spot on my shirt. And normally in that situation, I would just go and change my shirt because it would bother me so much. But I left it on purpose this time. And the reason why I left it is because for some strange reason, the water formed into the shape of a heart. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, I didn't do this on purpose, completely on accident. And this is what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It looks like a heart. Anyway, I thought it was pretty neat, so I left it and I wanted to share that with you guys. I do still have anhedonia, which really sucks, but I know slowly but surely while I drink the Amare Happy Juice, I'm going to notice significant improvements in that area because that's what happened before. It significantly improved my anhedonia and then it made it go away completely, which was amazing. So I'm super excited and I can't wait for that to happen again because living with anhedonia is, well, honestly, the only way I can describe it is it's a nightmare. Like, it is just an absolute nightmare because you can't enjoy pleasure in life. Like, the feeling of hot or cold water on your skin, you just can't feel it. You can't feel that warmth and that comfort from, you know, a warm blanket, a warm towel, or a hug. Like, I can hug someone and I don't feel anything, which really, really sucks because hugs are supposed to bring you comfort. And to be honest with you, that's one of the number one things about it that does bother me the most is the fact that I can't feel hugs. That and my musical anhedonia, because music is everything to me. Music has gotten me through so many hard times in my life, it's not even funny. And if I didn't have music at that time, I probably wouldn't be here. It's really rough having anhedonia, but like I said, I know it's gonna go away. I know it is. It's just gonna take time. And I'm just trying to be as patient with it as I can. And I'm trying to be patient with my doctor and getting weaned off of the medication properly so that I don't end up with even worse anhedonia or other withdrawal symptoms. So I had my meeting with my worker yesterday to help me to get a job in tech, and she really gave me some very helpful ideas for my resume, so I've updated my resume. It looks so professional, and I'm super excited to start using it to try and get a tech job. It highlights my experience in tech, number one, with both my YouTube videos and my Instructables articles, and then it highlights all my customer service experience because every job that I've had aside from YouTube and Instructables has been with customer service. And I now have a QR code for my how-to channel, or How-To 101, and I have a QR code for my Instructables page, which I have included on my tech resume. So I think that that's pretty neat that I have those QR codes actually on my resume, so that a prospective employer has a very easy way to get to my channel and to get to my Instructables page. And I've been fortunate enough that I've had 3 different jobs where I started out in one place in that job and then I ended up somewhere else, so they had me doing multiple different things, which looks really, really good on a resume and has definitely helped me out with getting jobs in the past. And I think that it's definitely going to help me out in my job search.